What's up, people of YouTube? I know I'm late again for another Tita Tuesday, but I'm really trying to do this and stuff. But I guess I'm failing, so yeah. Ang gagawin natin today is like a makeup tutorial. So I've washed all my brushes, so hindi sila mukhang filthy old shit. I bought some stuff like this. Ito mga gems kineme. We're gonna use them in makeup, so we have no rules here. So yun nga guys, hindi tayo lalabas ngayon kasi merong lockdown. Pero we're gonna do our makeup and pretend na meron tayong gagawin right after. So let's start off with a face mist. What does this do to your skin? Well, it does, I don't know. Ayun, napapanood ko lang yung mga ibang beauty guru na nag-i-spray muna sila ng kung anik-anik sa face nila. Tapos, so gagayahin lang natin sila. Tapos, for my beauty sponge, this is not a beauty blender because that hell is like expensive as magkano siya? 25 pesos sa Divisoria. You'll go buy, guys. Pero hindi nito sa mga presyong Divisoria outlets that you can find near you. But don't buy now because there's a lockdown. Primer. So, we're gonna use this Bobbie Cosmetics Dare to Bare Face Primer. Then, for foundation, I'm gonna use the Ever Millennial Liquid Foundation, yung all day nila. Alam nyo guys, nagpapretend lang ako na nakikita ko lahat. Pero for sure, mamaya, pag-check ko, super patchy nito kasi hindi ko naman nalalapit yung mukha ko dun sa mirror. So, I will stop pretending and get my mirror. I'm gonna use the Bobbie Cosmetics Don't Go With The Flaw Color Corrector plus Concealer Palette. I'm gonna use this brush. Ito yung lagi kong ginagamit for concealer. Mind you guys, medyo hindi okay ito sa oily skin. Kasi, yung consistency niya, parang butter na nilagyan ng pigment. Ganun. Ewan ko kung ako lang yung gumagawa nito, pero I would always want to use the darkest shade of foundation na meron ako, which is the Fit Me 335. Ito yung ginagamit ko para ma-balance yung kaputian. Patapos na din tayo, guys. Patapos na tayo sa foundation shit. So, for setting my face, I would use this one from Nichido. Sobrang talamak nito. Every high schooler had this. Using the same sponge. Ito yung ilalagay ko under my eyes. Especially dun sa part kung saan ako nag-highlight ng bongga. Para hindi mag-crease yung aking face. Or yung aking under eye. Yun nga, kailangan meron akong hawak na brush. So, for this one, I'm gonna use this angled brush. And I'm just gonna wipe this powder off my face already. Grabbing the brush again and wiping off. Meron din ako yung powder na talagang ginagamit ko for my whole face, which is the Vice Cosmetics in the shade So Pinay. So, yan. Ganyan, tapping. Light tapping motion ang aking ginagawa. So, I'm gonna use this BTLA Contour Kit. I'm gonna use this shade right here. It's called Dark Bronzer. Or it's not that dark. Using a fluffy brush, So, yan. Super fluffy. I'm just gonna blend that. So, okay na tayo for the meantime sa ating face. So, I'm gonna proceed sa brows. So, I'm gonna use this Matic Brow Liner by Ivory. This is in the shade Latte. So, using a spoolie, I would just gonna brush that. Alam niyo ba guys, that talaga pinaka-ayokong ginagawa yung brows. So, there are times that I feel like I sucked at doing brows. Ngayon, I'm gonna use the mascara. Wala kasi akong brow cara, so I'm just gonna use the regular mascara for my brows because parehas lang naman silang buhok. Still, the spoolie. Spoolie talaga ang pinaka kailangan mo sa buhay mo if you love doing brows. Clean that using this palette ulit. Ito guys, yung magko-correct ng mga pagkakamaling nagawa nyo sa brows. Now, for my eyes, I'm gonna use a base layer. Hindi siya base, hindi siya eyeshadow base, just base layer. Blended. So, maglalagay lang ako ng powder dito. Diba, naset naman na siya kanina. So, hindi na makaka-apekto yung mga bagay-bagay. A thick layer ng powder. Para mamaya, pwede na lang natin siyang i-wipe off kapag ka nagkaroon ng fallout. So, for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna grab this brown shade right here. Ano nga bang gagawin natin ngayon? Since lockdown, cancel lahat ng mga pangyayari, I'm gonna show you a prom look. Diba? Since walang magpro-prom, ako na lang ang magpro-prom. Then, maglalagay ako nitong terracotta shade sa top ng brown. Using the same brush, I'm gonna dip in dito sa parang reddish. I'm gonna blend that dito sa outer corner ng aking mata. And circular motion guys. Isang shade na medyo orangey at ilalagay siya all over our lids. Grab the color orange tapos ilagay siya under my eyes. So yan, good. Kukuha tayo ng maliit na brush. Kukuha ko ng color red. Since okay na, I'm just gonna brush off the excess here. So, my eyes is already okay. So, yan, mukha na akong bird. So, I'm gonna use this shade. Maglalagay pa tayo ng champagne color sa ating inner corners. Eyeliner. Just bring it out. Or small wings lang. Dun tayo sa safe. So that's for your eyes. Pwede kayo maglagay ng falsies. Speaking of falsies, so yun nga guys, okay na. Now you can put on your lips. Like, we're gonna go for a classic nude lip liner lang siya, pero I'm gonna use it all over my lips. So for the blush, I'm gonna use cream blush. Sariling gawa ko lang siya. Ito yung mga lipstick na hindi ko ginagamit. For my favorite part, which is the highlighter, I'm gonna go grab my favorite highlighting brush and my favorite highlighter. So my favorite highlighter was actually from the Moonchild palette, which is the Pink Heart. So si Pink Heart, ano siya? Meron siyang pink reflex because it's a pink heart. Just gonna blend that. Tip of my nose. So I'll just finish off this look, guys, and I'm gonna show you how wearable this is. So, ayun guys, sabi ko, you can wear this to your prom, kahit saan pwede. And look, I used this for a purple ensemble. Diba? It was meant for that. And I'm loving these earrings that I got for only 35 pesos. I love thrifting a lot. This sweatshirt is only 35 pesos sa ukay-ukay. I love. Looks very, very cozy. But you can still make this a little more into the artsy style. Now watch me drag this look into a more artsy approach. So yung blush na ginawa ko. So since this is a little pinky and stuff, I'm gonna use this here sa aking temples. Make your forehead blush, girl. Using the same brush. So, meron tayong different shades ng highlighter dito. Meron tayong blue na highlighter. So, yung blue na highlighter, lalagay natin siya dito. Yung green na highlighter dito. Pink heart highlighter and connect that. So, ngayon, pwede rin tayo maglagay ng mga, what do you call this, embellishments dito. So, I'm gonna use an eyelash glue. So, first natin ilalagay is yung purple na flower na meron ako. So, after that, I'm gonna put on some cosmetic glitters around that. So we're gonna put on some glitters then, because glitter saves them all. And I'm gonna grab on the shade, this one. I don't know what the shade is, but it's pink. I'm just gonna repeat this step on the other side and I think we're good to go. Boom! Mag-brush ako ng purple dito sa aking nose. I look like a deer. For the lips, maglalagay ako ng purple shade sa gitna. And you can make that glossy too. So, voila guys! That is the final look for the artsy. Now, I can have the montage. So that's it guys for another Tita Tuesday. So ayun, nakita nyo naman, we have the glam and the wearable shit. Yes. I don't think I should do this more because I suck at it. Di ko alam yung flow na gagawin ko, but yeah, it happened. So that's it. Ayoko nang magpaligoy-ligoy pa. I'll see you on Tuesday. Okay? Keep your subscription on. Keep the notification bell ringing. And I'll be uploading more videos, hopefully, soon. Isang Tita Tuesday na naman ang natapos ng walang pakundakan. So, ayun guys. See you on the next one. I'll see you on Tuesday ulit. Tita Tuesdays, but I never upload on Tuesday.